friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we're setting up the highlights pages and my monthly pages for June in my Plum paper 7x9 hourly. So let's get started. Alrighty, so I am using Planner Cake Kit 328. This is the tropical kit and I fell in love with this. I love this print. Look at how beautiful that is. So I just have sheet 1. So this is for my monthly pages, and then I have sheet J3, which is the dashboard. So let's go ahead and just dive right into this dashboard. I love that Planner Kate is doing sticker sets specifically for Plum paper. I love her stickers, and so I'm so happy that we're able to get them sized specifically for Plum paper and just kind of the layout and the format that we have with this planner. So I am not gonna, I've been whiting out this goal 1, 2, and 3 here, but then I notice you see underneath the white here, you see like my whiteout area. So I think I'm just gonna leave it, because I feel like the white is more visible than just, you can hardly see it there. It's not bad. It doesn't bother me. I love this print. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I couldn't wait to plan June. Technically, we're still in May, but I'm just doing some pre-planning, like I said, because I just couldn't wait. Hopefully that's straight. This is so cute. All right, I'm a little over. I'm gonna need to mush this over a little bit. I'm just eyeballing it. Oops, that's not good. You can see that peach there really bad. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to move that one over a little bit is my problem. It wasn't really, yeah, I'm too far, see, I'm too far over. So let me just realign here a little bit. Not a problem, we will fix it. Oops, gotta get it low enough and over enough. I think that's better. Let's see if it'll fit better now. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Okay, and then I'm gonna use these blue bars. Hopefully I don't need to white out underneath. Oops. Where this is, because it's kind of dark. I mean, I think it's okay. Just gonna put it down. Okay, there we go. And then this is where I do projects. So I'm gonna put that here. I love these are so cute. And then last month I used these blank dots because I don't use the date dots, and I put these down as like the little check boxes. And I thought that was really cute. So I'm gonna put these down. I'll start with 2. I think I put 3 last month, and Lord knows I didn't get to 3. At least not yet. I still have time. I could still do something. There we go. And then let's put this. I love this washi. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, here we go. I love that. Okay, so, oh, that's so pretty. And then she doesn't give you 2 more strips to cover down here, but last month and this month, look, it totally matches. So I'm not covering that at all. We're just letting that go. And then this is where I do my memories. I love that. That's so cute. And then down here is where I do what I'm currently reading and listening to and that kind of stuff, watching on TV. This little script here is from a gal I found on Facebook. She doesn't have a shop, but she does custom scripts for you. Her name's Vanessa Rogel. And so you can DM her and let her know what you need, and she'll do, you know, like little sheets for you. So I took advantage of that. She did those really, she has, this isn't the only font she has. She has a bunch of different fonts, like maybe 10 or so. 8, 10 or so. It's been a while since I've ordered from her, but yeah, I like her font there. Doesn't match, but that's okay, because Planner Kate doesn't have something here that I could do, like, I mean, I guess, yeah, habits. Watching TV and reading is a habit for me. I could do that, but anyways, it's fine, I leave it. And then this page I leave blank because I actually use it for notes, for things that come up during the month. And so then we're gonna move over to the monthly spread, and we're gonna go ahead and get this down. It's so pretty. Okay, so I just wanna make sure I'm down low enough, but not too low. Oh, that's so cute. I think this is kind of heavy, and so this 2021, I think I'm gonna need to white that out just so it doesn't show through. Okay, there we go. But I'm not so worried about like the line there. Okay, and then we'll do this. Right, gotta make sure I'm not covering up those dates. That looks good. Okay, so that's that. And then I don't do these dates, but I do just kind of save them for later. Okay, and then Father's Day. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay these down since I'm looking at them. I have lots of birthdays. Not lots, but quite a few. Flag Day is not in here. Juneteenth is the 19th, right? Isn't it? I will double check all of these though, just to make sure, because I don't know when summer begins, but I'll lay all these down in a minute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in my paydays, which are actually, whoops, I get paid on the 15th here. And then the payday that would be considered for the 1st is actually on May 28th. So that doesn't really count, but there is another payday down here. So this one will actually be, it's the 30th, but it's sort of my paycheck for the 1st of the month. So I'm just gonna put those down. And then let's start filling in some of these boxes. So it's my husband's 50th birthday this year. And I want to do something special here. Normally for birthdays, I do just like these little asterisks, but I got to figure out something for him. And I don't have like boxes, like I didn't buy the second sheet that went to this kit. I don't know why, but I didn't. So I am just going to go ahead and put some of these down here and just put in the other birthdays. So it's my nephew's birthday. He is graduating from college this summer. So we're really proud of him and excited for that. He has one more class to take this summer because he couldn't get it in the spring semester. Oh, and it's my boy, Odie. Oh, I feel like we should do something special for him too. Let's do, I'm gonna put him on, maybe I'll put him on this sticker. Or I could put, actually what I could do is I could put him on this sticker and put like a little birthday box. Here, let's see. I have, yeah, like we could cover that with something from one of these. We'll just make this up as we go, friends. Maybe like this icy blue kind of matches. Something like that. He's gonna be 6, my little guy, my fur baby. We were walking him and there's certain neighbors' houses that he likes to stop and say hello. And so the neighbor hadn't seen him in a little while and he was like, Otis, you're looking kind of old. And I know it's true and he didn't mean like anything by it, but it's like, oh, it's so sad, it's true. And then this is also the day that I give him his heart guard and neck guard. So we'll just put that down as well above his birthday. And then since I have this PK release is here for August kits. So friends, it is, what's today? Like May 22nd. I have still not placed my Planner Kate order for the month. I have been just kind of holding out because I'm just trying to kind of like, well, one, I kind of put myself on sticker restriction. If you've seen any of my, I think my past budget I mentioned that. And so I also realized that like Planner Kate comes out with her weekly, monthly kits like early in the month, and some of the other shops that I like to shop do it more towards, you know, middle or end of the month. And so I'm kind of trying to wait to make sure that I see everything before like placing an order, because I've done that where I've placed an order with Kate and then I see like another shop has like this, like a monthly kit that I'm like, oh, I think I like that one better, but then I don't feel like justified in buying like 2 of the same. So yeah, I'm trying to like, you know, pace myself and be a little more of a patient spender. So that's why I haven't placed my order yet. Okay, so I am actually getting on a plane for the first time in over a year. We have a site visit, so I have to fly down to LA. And then we are checking out the hotel for my big meeting that's going to be down there in October. So with the pandemic, of course, a lot of things have changed. So I'm just trying to figure out, I think this size. So I will be just gone for one night. Kind of what the spacing is going to be and kind of what we're going to be doing. All right, so then we have just a couple of things. Soccer tryouts for Emma are coming up. So put that down. That goes through the 9th. So I think let's grab another one of these and let's do like one of these long arrows. These things are so hard because they're so skinny. Like I have to be careful when I'm playing around with these. Okay, so let's just kind of do this. We don't know any of the scheduling or the timing yet. And then, let's see. We go on vacation. I'm sure I have a vacation font, like a script sticker somewhere. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put this sort of here. So get this, friends, you're gonna love this. So my husband's from Pennsylvania and we fly back, you know, like every other year, whatever. And so we're going back this summer, and we usually fly into like DC, Baltimore, BWI, kind of that area. And we'll spend a night, you know, do the whole DC thing. Because I love DC. We love taking our girls. Actually, I should use one of those short ones. Taking our girls to all the museums and everything. Like, so they've grown up, you know, kind of knowing around that area. We love Alexandria and the Old Town, and we always usually have dinner there. But so now that I'm, you know, into this decorative planner community, I told my husband, I go, oh, wait a minute, where are we flying into? So we're flying into Dulles this time. And I said, hey, wait a minute, there's an Erin Condren store over there in Virginia. And so I looked it up and I was like, oh my God, it's like right there. It's like, and then we drive up to, we rent a car and we drive up to Pennsylvania. I'm like, it's on the way. Because right away he's like, I'm not going there. And I was like, you don't need to come with me. Just drop me off. So we're going to stay the night, like I said, in DC. And he told me today he booked a room in Fairfax, Virginia, which is like 5 miles from where the Mosaic District is, where the Erin Condren store is. And I was like, did you do that just for me? And he's like, I don't know. Like he's trying to claim no credit for it. It's so cute. I can't believe he did that. So we're staying at a Ritz-Carlton in Fairfax, and then the EC store is also in Fairfax. So I'm super excited about that. I can't believe he did that. Like that's so kind of uncharacteristic for my husband. But I just love him for it. And I knew you ladies would appreciate it. Okay, I kind of like this green. So I'm going to do another one of these cute little stickers here because I thought that was cute. This is June 16th is my dad's birthday. This will be our first birthday without my dad. He passed at the end of last year. I never really mentioned it, friends, here on my channel, but it was really hard. But having this as an outlet and having you all as friends to chat with and everything has been so much fun and has made it a lot easier for me. So we are celebrating him with his service on that day. So I am going to put this here. There. And then we also have another service for a very close friend of ours, family friend. Very tough year for us, for our family so far, but we are very close-knit. I have lots of brothers and my mom, and we are getting through it together. So I don't want this to be sad, friends. It's good. Okay, so that's kind of it. So I don't know what to do for my husband's birthday. I kind of started filming this without really thinking that through. So I'm gonna have to think about that some more. Okay, and then what I realize I don't have is a this month sticker, but I do have one. I am going to, I know I have a Nicole Hutch Designs one. So let's pull that, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it right here, kind of on top of the blue a little bit there. Okay. And then what I normally do here is things that happen every week. So I have staff meeting. Soccer for our school team is going to be done by June, and same with basketball's already done for school. And I have no idea what their club teams are doing right now. Emma's going to have tryouts this day, so we won't know her schedule until after the tryouts, assuming she makes the team, which I don't know why she wouldn't. And so let's do I need to find a color that matches. Hold on one second. Okay, so I pulled this peach color, 873, because I think it looks good with this kind of color here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to fill in right now. What I know is I just know my staff meetings, right? Those happen every week. So I will come back once I know Emma's soccer schedule and Sophie's basketball. But what do? I think I just say staff meetings. Yeah, staff meetings. And this is Wednesdays, and they are from 9 to 10:30. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm just gonna put a little line below. If I recall, the fine tip to these pens is much darker than the, I'm just gonna try to go light so it doesn't come out too dark. Okay, cool. All right, so that's that. So at least I have that started. And then I think what I'm going to try to do here is I need to try to do some kind of hand lettering situation. So I think I'm going to wait and do that off camera. And then, like I said, I'll fill in whatever we find out about basketball and soccer here. And then for vacation, I do have this fun little thing that I got not long ago in one of my later hauls. Look at this. This is so cute. I love this little guy. So I think I mentioned in the haul when I did this that the reason I bought this is because this looks like the C5 that my husband is a flight engineer on in the Air Force. And so I thought he was so cute. And I want to put, I'm lining this up because I'm trying to see what color I feel like matches. That peach is kind of not the right. I've been using sort of this blue, I think this one. I kind of want to put this here to commemorate our vacation. I'll probably use it again on the weekly spread. There we go. Okay, ta-da. All right, that was pretty simple. Like I said, I'm sorry, I'm going to do this off camera just because I want to figure out, I need to think some more on how I want to do that. But that's how the month of June is shaping up so far. I think that's it. All right, friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.